I was definitely one of those that was quite skeptical of any cloud solutions, but definitely glad to say that OTAVA has definitely made me a believer. Hello, my name is James Peters, go by JD. I work for Tippecanoe School Corporation as a network specialist. Looking at cloud solutions was starting to become more of a necessity instead of a want. I'm not able to sleep well at night, worrying about certain issues. And for us, cybersecurity is probably the top of the list. We do have plenty of on-prem storage space, but the big question was always, what happens if we lose that? So we decided to start entertaining the idea of getting a cloud partner. And of course, there's the top of the name people, AWS, and those initial quotes almost was going to scare us away from the whole idea. But he kept looking, and that's where he was able to find OTAVA. We use them as a replication repository, as well as some of the backups, and even as a disaster recovery solution. So it's the best of all worlds, in my opinion. We did have one of our host servers go down. So all of that was operating in the cloud for probably over a week. None of our users were even aware of such an event. That's just how easy and versatile I would say OTAVA can be. For anyone who's out there in the market for cloud storage or some kind of cloud provider, I definitely would look at OTAVA first. Guarantee the others aren't gonna come anywhere close. And they're definitely not gonna leave you with a smile like OTAVA will.